Hello everyone. In the previous session, we had discussed about the introduction to the number system, and I have told you about what is binary number system. So I briefly repeat again, binary number system is a number system which consists of only two valid numbers 0 and 1. The reason behind the binary number system has only two valid numbers are the digital system, the hardware of the digital system only understands the binary language, because the hardware is designed with the help of the switching elements such as diode, transistors and MOSFET. As the switching element only has two states, so on and off, this is why the binary number system is made up of 0 and 1. Even I have told you about the decimal number system. The numbers which we have learnt in the school age, the numbers which we prefer in our day-to-day life. I had given you a few examples such as the account number of the bank, the password, the money or the deal which we make in the markets is all comes under the decimal number system. Now today what we are going to understand is about the conversion of number system. Now why we are going to understand or learn the conversion of number system? The reason behind studying the conversion of number system is we should be able to convert any given number from one number system into another number system. Basically there are four number systems: binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So we are going to learn each and every number system in detail, but as I've already told you about the binary and decimal, so today we are going to focus about how to convert a decimal number system into binary number system. So that is what given in the title here. Now we are going to take an example. As you can see here, this example I have assumed a number 96.25 in decimal. The base value given here is 10. You do remember one thing, whenever we are going to represent a decimal number, always the base value or the radix value should be 10. The reason behind the base value or the radix value to be 10 is the decimal number system consists of the number 0 to 9. So as it consists the number from 0 to 9, so the base value or the radix value becomes 10. Next, on the right hand side of equal to sign, what we have given? We have given 2 at the base. So what does the 2 represent here? The 2 represent here the binary number system. So this example expects us to solve a conversion of a decimal number system into binary number system. The binary number system has a base value 2. The reason behind the base value 2 is binary number system has only two valid numbers 0 and 1. So decimal number system has 10 valid numbers 0 to 9, so base value is 10. Binary number system has only two valid numbers 0 and 1, so base value is 2. So this example is here to convert about a decimal number system into binary number system. Let us see how to solve the conversion of a decimal number system into a binary number system. To convert any given decimal number system into binary number system, we have to solve it in two parts. One is the integer part and second is a fractional part. So here in this case the integer number is 96. So let us first of all solve for a integer part. To convert any given decimal number into binary, we have to follow the process. What is the process? The process is, first of all convert the given number into two parts, that is integer part and fractional part. Solve them separately. How to solve the integer part is what we are going to discuss now. First of all, write the integer number. Keep keep dividing the number by 2 and note down the remainder on the right hand side of this column. So when we divide a number 96 by 2, whenever we divide a number 96 by 2, the quotient remains 48, remainder remains 0. That is what I have noted here. Similarly, let us continue. At the end, what you can see, this number 1 cannot be divided by 2. Hence, we are going to take this as a final remainder. Now, we are going to note down this as a part of result from bottom to top. The second part is the fractional part. The fractional part is 0.25. So to solve the fractional section, let us see how to solve. We are always going to multiply the fractional part by 2. The reason behind dividing the number by 2 or multiplying the number by 2 is this. That is, we are going to convert a decimal number system into a binary number system. So that is why divide the integer part always by 2 and multiply the fractional part by 2. So let us see how to solve this. So 0.25 into 2, it becomes 0.50. Note the left hand side digit of the decimal point onto here and continue. What you can find now, it becomes 0. So even if you multiply this 0 by 2, so final answer has to be 0. So we'll stop the solution here itself. So now the final answer, the final conversion, the final answer now here is the 96.25 is equal to 5 times 0.01. As I have already told you, we are going to note down this as a part of a result from bottom to top. This is being called as MSB, that is most significant bit. This is called as LSB, the least significant bit. MSB should always be on the left hand side and LSB should always be on the right hand side. So now here on the fractional part, we are going to note it down from top to bottom approach. That is why first I am going to write 0 and then 1. So this is the final answer. So 5 times 0.01 is binary equivalent of 96.25. Let me inform you about a trick to verify our answer. How to verify the binary equivalent of the decimal is whether correct or not is we are going to follow this binary weights. So how to write these weights, I'll let you know. 2 to the power 0 will be 1, 2 to the power 1 will be 2, 2 to the power 3 will be 8, and similarly we'll progress it and write the weights as 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. Note down this binary equivalent here. So the binary equivalent is 1, 1, 5 times 0. So 1, 1, 5 times 0. Wherever the binary is 1, we'll add the weights. So at these two positions, the weights are 64 and 32 respectively. So by adding 64 and 32, we get 96. So this is where we can confirm that the conversion of the decimal is very much equivalent and correct here as shown below. As we have already verified it with the binary weights as well. Thank you.